In order to follow a planned timetable, all the schools and colleges assign one person the job of turning on and off a bell at certain time intervals. Today, we bring you the Smartedge digital automatic bell that does not require any human assistance. This is how the Smartedge digital automatic bell looks like. There are 2 points with the help of which you can hang the bell on the wall. The external memory card, which is an additional unit, goes into this slot. You can use this data to store any number of audio files, be it different types of announcements, period notifications, bell sound types, etc. It has 2 input units and 1 major output unit. In the input units, you can attach the AC and DC connections. And in this output unit, you can plug the RCA jack, which can be connected to speakers or amplifiers, which in turn can be connected to multiple speakers as well. If you want to make your campus a digital one, you can also use this with a PA system. Now, how does the Smartedge digital automatic bell work? It is very simple. You can see that when we first switch on the electronic bell, this is what the digital display looks like. With this key, you can set the new alarm and then go to Next. The options which will display are Show Alarm, Data, Edit, Erase, Set Real Time, that is to fix the time, and then set Operate Mode. Next comes the Show Holidays option. You can set up holidays accordingly. Then comes Set Bell Type, Set the Bell Sound, Set Manual Bell. Next option is the Clear All Holidays and Alarms. Then comes Fill Demo Data, Unit Details. Either you can set the next alarm or exit. Now, this is how we will set our new alarm. You first click on Enter and we can select alarm type as summer, exam or winter. Once you click Enter again, you will first see time and other options. You can select soundtrack, select days, that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Next comes the sound interval time. For example, you want it for 1 minute or 2 minutes, etc. Next comes the sound repetition. Once you press Enter again, your alarm will be set, and then once you confirm, you will either go to the next alarm settings or you can exit by clicking on Enter again. The display on the screen will show that your data has been stored. This is an example how you can set an alarm. We will provide you with the common custom recordings, which will be as follows. For the morning prayer service, Good morning, children. Please gather for the prayer. For period announcement, this is period number 0. For your break timings, it's your fruit time. Enjoy your healthy fruit and stay fit. When the break time is over, fruit time is over. Please get back to your classes. And special announcements. Children, please note that the school will be closed tomorrow, that is the 25th of December, due to Christmas holiday. You can add numerous bell sounds and audio clips to the data card as per your requirements. The Smartedge digital automatic bell is compact and self-contained. No extra software or designated computer system is required. We guarantee that our product is the first choice for our clients due to its performance, product function, and quality standards. It has got precision, robust construction, optimum performance, and anti-corrosive finish. Kindly be advised that this product has an ever-increasing market demand, and only the early birds will be lucky to receive it in an attractive price. So are you and your institution ready to take one more step ahead in this world of digital system so as to make your surrounding easy and comfortable? Period number 0. For your break timings, it's your fruit time. Enjoy your healthy fruit and stay fit. When the break time is over, fruit time is over. Please get back to your classes. And special announcements. Children, please note that the school will be closed tomorrow, that is the 25th of December, due to Christmas holiday. You can add numerous bell sounds and audio clips to the data card as per your requirements.